Make B the subject of the relation LB is equal to half times A plus B times H. This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and after that we will pick the correct option. The relation is LB is equal to half times A plus B times H. I'll multiply both sides by 2 to remove the fraction. When I do that, I'm going to have 2 times LB is equal to 2 times half times A plus B times H. 2 and 2 cancel each other out. 2 times LB will give us 2LB, and this will be equal to A plus B times H. Let's expand the bracket here. When we do that, we are going to have A times H, which is AH, and B times H, which is BH. So 2LB is equal to AH plus BH. We want to make B the subject, so we have to make sure that the terms containing B stands on one side of the equation. And so I'll bring BH from the right hand side to the left hand side. When I do that, I'm going to have 2LB minus BH is equal to AH. Let's factorize B out. When we factorize B out, we are going to have B into bracket 2L minus H is equal to AH. To get B, I'll divide both sides by 2L minus H. So I'll divide the left hand side by 2L minus H and divide the right hand side also by 2L minus H. When I do that, you can see that 2L minus H and 2L minus H cancels each other out. And so B will be equal to AH divided by 2L minus H. When we look through the options, you can see that the correct option is D.